Here is my Brighter Skies Cloud Raining card. I wanted to use this really fun dies that's part of the Bright Skies dies, and these two can do edges, but you can also make these fun templates with them. So I made these two templates, and then I did it in half. Let's see, it goes like that, so that I could use these for waves on another card. So double usage there. So the Bright Skies bundle has all these fun cloud dies, the cloud line dies, rain dies, sunflower, and lightning dies that all coordinate together and allow you to create super cute cards. And when you place a $50 order, you get the Sunny Days DSP for free if that's what you choose. And it has coordinating patterns, particularly this first page where you can use the dies to cut out some of the clouds. So we have a small cloud, a medium cloud, and then here's our large cloud. And we are going to use some of those pieces that I have cut out from the paper. But first we're going to use our template and blending brush, and I'm going to start down here at the bottom over towards the right edge because I'm going to alternate these two templates, but I'm also going to alternate placing them towards the right edge and the left edge so that it's not just the same all the way up. So there's some variety, and so it doesn't look so. So you see how cute it looks. And so now I'm going to go to the left here. To the left, to the left. And then this last one, let's see, we did left, so we're going to go right. And look at how super cute that is. I always love how this turns out when you do a blending or something with the mask. Now I have cut out the large and small raindrops, so I'm just going to add some raindrops. Look how cute that is. Super, super cute. So I suggest keeping these and placing them with your dies or with your stamp set so that you can always have them to use with this bundle. So here are some of the clouds that I cut out. There's this large one. And then we've got this one over here, and then this one and this one. And I'm going to place some of them off the card, and I'll just trim them off later. Now I'm just going to trim off the edges of the clouds. Now I'm going to emboss the sentiment. So I'm going to start with my embossing buddy and just get any oils or other foreign things off of the cardstock. And I'll get that ready. I'm also going to re-ink my pad. I like to re-ink it right before I use it so it's nice and juicy and it creates a really crisp image. But I'm going to show you another trick on how to get a crisp image as well. Now I've embossed this, and I'm just going to cut this out from this die from the Enduring Beauty dies. And I'm just going to add it right down here. And then for bling, I originally used these iridescent gems, but this time I think I'm gonna go back and use these loose silver sequins again. And there is my Brighter Skies cloud card. If you place a $35 order using my current host code by January 19th, you will receive this card kit for free. It will be supplies for these 3 cards. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Brighter Skies card kit.